Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into my video. In today's video, you're going to walk through Hobby Lobby with me and my girls as we pick out some fun things for their very first planners. I'm so excited to do this because I will have two planner besties right here at home with me. So during this particular trip at Hobby Lobby, all of the items that were labeled Paper Studio were 50% off. So since this is their very first time working in planners and testing it out, I wanted it to be budget friendly and to where we didn't spend a whole lot of money just in case that this life is not for them. So we bought the items, took them home, and we organized their planners, and that's what they want to show you today. We finally got the planner set up and ready to go, and I and my girls were excited to show you what their planners look like and how they have organized them, and we're ready to get this party started. So first up, I am going to show you my oldest daughter's planner, and she loved the floral planner binder, and that's what we went for her theme, and she loves blue. In the first pocket, she has this traveler's notebook, and it is so cute with the little dolls in the inside cover, and she can use this for additional note taking. She can doodle. I mean, the sky's the limit what she can download on the pages of that cute traveler's notebook. And more notes. I saw this and I picked this up in a Hobby Lobby clearance haul, and she loved it. So she's just going to keep this notepad at the front of her planner where she can make lists and whatever she wants to do. So let's take a look at the pages that are inside of the planner. When she opens up each month, there will be a month's goals and affirmations sheet, just something so she can download goals, ideas, her bucket list if she wants to track something, and to also come up with a self-care list of things to do. And following that page are notes and things, and this is just something for her to use at her pleasure. And all of these inserts I created for them, and I think that this is something good to try for them before ordering something or just designing something more complex for them. But she also has a month at a glance, and it's blank so she can decorate those pages. And for the week, it's a week on 2 pages, and she has Monday schedule. She can jot down her assignments, and there's this little box right there where she can, list if she has dance or some other type of practice or party. And that goes all the way through Friday, and Saturday and Sunday are unlined, and she can use this for stickers or just plan out her weekend the way that she sees fit. So to separate the months, we used scrapbook paper to divide the months, and I just laminated them, and she added tabs that she's going to add the month to them. And this was a very quick and easy and gorgeous way of separating the months and making dividers or dashboards, and she stayed with the floral theme. And all of the months have the same pages: the month at a glance, the weekly pages, and the goals and affirmations. In the back of her planner, there's another pocket that she can use to either add some decorative dividers and dashboards, bookmarks, etc. And this is her planner. So now she is on the hunt for looking for charms to place in it, just to decorate it on the outside and give it a little bit more pizzazz. She says she loves it, and I am excited that she has it. So for their planners, and you'll see my youngest has the same thing, we have these caddies, and they were just shower caddies that we picked up at Walmart for maybe 97 cents. But she has extra inserts that she can keep in here. She has some markers set aside in one of the little compartments, and she changes those out. And in the other section, this is where she keeps her additional stickers and these little note sheets that are so cute. I haul those not too long ago. She has another traveler's notebook, and she likes this one because it has a dotted page. All of the pages are dotted, and she loves to draw and doodle, and I think this is something that she's looking forward to using. And here are a few stickers that we picked up at Dollar Tree. And I want to say between Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and Walmart, we grabbed just a few stickers to get her started that she can use on her own and understand what they are for the planning pages. This student planner book, I believe, was also on clearance at Walmart or Hobby Lobby, but it was a really good deal, and I think it was right on time for my newbie planner. I think this shower caddy was a great idea to use for their planner accessories. They can sit it on their desk or their bookshelf and have all of the items needed right there. Next up is my youngest daughter's planner, and she was so excited to be able to pick out the planner that she wanted and the accessories and to have her own little caddy. And her planner, I want to say, is a personal size planner. Yes, it's a personal size, so it's a little smaller, and she did not want anything bigger, and I let her pick the scrapbook paper that she wanted to get her inspired and happy about opening up the pages. And with leftover scrapbook paper, we just laminated, well, they were already laminated, but we cut them down to size so she can have her own bookmarks. She can use these for school and whatever she wants, but she loves the papers that she picked out, and to have extra paper made her even more happier. So now she has extra bookmarks, and the colors that she chose are the purples and pinks, oranges, just an array of colors. And look at her nails, so you can tell her very favorite color is purple. Now she also has inserts in hers, and it has the goals, affirmations, the bucket list, ideas, a tracker, and self-care. I think that she is a great age to go ahead and start documenting those things. She can too decorate her month at a glance page and fill in the numbers. I think this would be good for her to do. And she doesn't have a week on 2 pages. Well, I guess she does. It's front and back, where she has the same setup as her sister, but Monday through Wednesday, I believe, are on 1 page, and then she has the remaining week on the back cover, and no lines on Saturday and Sunday. And we also use scrapbook paper for her dividers, and she loves it because she was the one to pick it out and just make this something that she could love. And in the back of her planner, she also has a little pocket. Don't know what's gonna go back there, but just to know she has it, it's good. So she's showing you that, and she can find a cute little pen to stick in there and plan. Now both girls are going to make plans to go and pick out some charms so that they can have little dangles on their planners. So that will come up soon. But that's Miss Priss's planner. Now she has a few stickers in her caddy, and this was a sticker page that I saw at Dollar Tree. And she also has some markers just like Big Sis, so she can make those pages colorful and keep her inspired to plan. And she also has a few other sticker books. She loves unicorns right now, so to pick up this unicorn sticker book for about $2, I think it was $2.24 from Hobby Lobby. It was a perfect find for her. And Dollar Tree also had some unicorn stickers. I thought that was really neat and fun, and they have some pretty neat stickers in here that are holographic and the foil colors, and I told her I may have to borrow some of those. And Dollar Tree really has stepped it up. Video. I enjoyed sharing it with you and spending this time with my girls, getting their planners all put together and ready to go for the rest of the season or the rest of the academic school year. Please like this video and leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't already, please stay and subscribe. I'd love to have you hang out with me here on YouTube. Well, until next time, have a great day and thank you so much for watching.